Hello, hello, Forest family. My name is Adriana Ramos, but some of you might know me as Vibe with Aid. And of course, if you are just now getting to know me, you can call me Aid. I'm a music festival content creator as well as a life coach. I have led a workshop at the Brainery before at Electric Forest where I helped you set intentions for your weekend ahead. And I'm super excited to take you through this meditation that I'm about to walk you through that's really going to allow you to reflect and release this past year and really allow you to cultivate and get excited about your year ahead. In this meditation, I'm going to take you through a visualization that really allows you to look back on this past year and allow yourself to let it go and let it be. So that way you can really get excited about your year ahead from a very empowering and clear place. We will go through some initial intention setting for you, and afterwards I will provide some journal prompts for you so that way you can take some time to reflect on this past year and begin to set some intentions and goals for your year ahead. So without further ado, find a comfortable seat, whether you want to be seated in a meditation position or if you want to be laying down. Whatever works best for you. And if you want to keep your eyes open or closed, again, whatever feels most comfortable for you. So go ahead, find that comfortable position and we will get started. Great. So we will first begin by having you get into that comfortable seat and really feeling into it. And you can go ahead and close those eyes down or keep them open and really just settle into this space. Whatever came before this, whatever you were doing earlier today, you don't need to worry about. Whatever lies ahead, you don't need to worry about. This is the time for you to create spaciousness and really allow yourself to let go, reflect, and move forward and looking forward to your year ahead. I want you to start off by going ahead and taking that first inhale in. And exhale it back out. Good. Take another inhale in. And exhale it back out. We're really settling into this space together, becoming more grounded, becoming more present, really going inward and tuning in here. Now on this next inhale in, I want you to take the biggest inhale you've taken all day. Really fill yourself up all the way up. Even a little bit more. See if you can fill it up more. Maybe sip in a little bit more air. And when you feel yourself, just feel how full you are. And on this exhale, you will take the biggest exhale all day and just let it all go in 3, 2, 1. Exhale it all out. Amazing, amazing. Continue to just be here now. And as you settle into this space, I want you to begin by thinking through this past year. No need to judge yourself or be hard on yourself. Just objectively become the observer of this past year and what it was for you. No need to be afraid. Just begin to look back. Maybe you start to see through the months that you went through, the days that you went through. Maybe you're seeing the highlights. Maybe you're seeing the challenges. Whatever's coming up for you, just take notice of it. How was this past year for you? How would you describe this year in one word? Again, no judgment, just simply observing what comes up. What were some of the highlights this year? What were some of the challenges? How did you overcome those challenges? Where did you really grow? What are you grateful for from this year? Just keep breathing and tuning in. What are you grateful for from this year? Good. Again, we're just observing and we're taking note. What are you ready to release from this year? What do you want to let go of from this year? Take another inhale in and exhale back out. Just noticing, taking note of it. But we don't need to hold on to this. Whatever is coming up for you, I want you to know it's okay. You don't need to hold on to it anymore. Go ahead and take another inhale in and exhale it back out. You might be becoming more and more relaxed as you're settling into this. And I want you to imagine a glowing orb above your head. Imagine this orb glowing with your favorite color, and it is just swirling and swirling and glowing with energy. This orb is magnetizing with love, support, and healing energy that is just swirling above your head. And it has everything you need to support you. And as it is swirling above your head, it is magnetizing with this healing energy to clear out any unwanted energy from this past year. Anything that needs to be released and that you no longer need to hold on to. Take another inhale in. And as you exhale, just imagine a waterfall flowing out from this orb through the crown of your head and flowing into your body, beginning to clear space. You'll feel that your body is filling up with this colorful and glowing energy of this orb, allowing you to really release this past year so that you can start fresh for your year ahead. Continue to imagine this glowing, colorful energy flowing, emptying and emptying out your feet as it washes through you, clearing any negative or unwanted energy and really creating spaciousness for you to call in this vision you have for your path ahead. Continuing to watch this energy just flow out from under your feet and really allowing you to feel open and clear, and that space was created. Go ahead and inhale in and exhale it back out. Amazing. Continue to just be here now. You are feeling so clear and fresh after the clearing energy has now passed through. I want you to focus on your heart space and really start to breathe into that heart space that you have there. Maybe you imagine it like a flower blooming and opening up as you continue to breathe into it and put your focus onto it. Really continue to feel that heart space open up more and more with each breath, knowing that your heart never leads you astray. and we will utilize your heart to call in your ultimate vision for the year ahead. Don't worry about writing these things down. Just visualize and tune into how you're feeling and what your heart is telling you. Take an inhale in and exhale it back out. If you were to create your most fulfilling year yet in 2025, what would that look like? What would be your ultimate vision for the year? What would be some big goals or dreams you have for 2025? Who is the person you need to be to create those goals and dreams in your life? Who is this person that is in your ultimate vision for 2025? What do you look like? What do you wear? How do you show up? And as you are going throughout this 2025 vision, how are you feeling? How can you allow yourself to feel that feeling throughout your body right now? What are some things or habits that you want to continue in 2025? What are some things or habits that you want to stop in 2025? What are you truly manifesting for 2025? You're doing so great. Amazing. What's one word that you can focus or create a theme around your 2025? What's one word that you want to solidify your 2025 to? Really feel into how you'd want to feel by the end of 2025, and now allow it to fill up your body. Feel how good it would feel if this 2025 were to come to fruition. Go ahead and inhale in and exhale it back out. And as we exit this meditation and this portal for transformation, give yourself so much gratitude for getting yourself through this year and creating spaciousness for you to create your year ahead. You are enough, you are capable, you are so loved, and you are so supported. Thank you so much for taking the time for yourself to spend time with yourself and really look ahead to your amazing year ahead. And thank you for allowing me to be your guide. You can start to come back to the room that you're in now. Maybe start to wiggle your toes and your fingers and start to bring some awareness back to the space that you're in. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes and come out of this meditation. That was so wonderful to lead you guys through this releasing and activating meditation. I have some journal prompts for you where you can really allow yourself to reflect on any things that came up within the meditation and looking back at your past year and then looking ahead to your year ahead. If you want to connect with me further or if you have any questions, you can find me Vibe with Aid on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and vibewithAid.com. I also have a coaching page on Instagram and TikTok called Find Your Vibe Coaching. And if you're interested in getting any life coaching and really helping you create create the life that you want from a very supportive and empowering place, I would love to work with you. And you can find more details about my coaching services at findyourvibecoaching.com. It was so amazing to connect with my forest family, and I hope that this meditation served you, and I hope our paths align for us to meet in the forest one day. Bye for now.